Hi friend, Emily here with Experienced Mommy, and today I am talking to you about how to clean your oven chemical free. Start with 1 cup baking soda mixed with 1/4 cup water. Spread and coat the baking soda mixture over the entire oven surface. I waited for about 2 hours, but if you wait longer, then it will be easier to wipe down all the grit and grime. You can even wait overnight to let it have tons of time to remove all the grime and make it easier to wipe down, maybe even in the morning. Then you take a spray bottle and spray the surface with white vinegar, or I just poured a little on to the surface itself, but just be careful because there will be that chemical reaction and kind of fizz, which is totally satisfying, so enjoy that. And then you can take some warm water and wipe it all off with a cloth, and then even a dry cloth. You can use a sponge, whatever you have around. If there's some stubborn grit, you can use a spatula to scrub it off, but then voila, and you are all done. You have a very clean oven with very few steps, and it's all natural. Make sure that you comment below, but subscribe, hit that little subscribe button. That will give you all the alerts for the upcoming videos. Have a great day, guys. Mama out.